Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra, and this video I talk about building a team. Somebody asked me that what it takes to build a team, and if we do understand, one of the perfect examples in this nation of building an organization, of building a team is J.R.D. Tata, right? And this story was received by me on WhatsApp. It is a story of Peter and J.R.D. Tata. Peter has worked as his driver for 20 years. And this dates back to the time when J.R.D. Tata was the chairman of the Air India, and he would often go to that building every day in the first half of the day. And then he always used to tell Peter that if I do not walk down by 1:15 p.m. for my lunch, you must go and have your lunch. And if in that case he was aware that there will be a lunch meeting or he'll be delayed, he will come from the 22nd floor where his chamber was down to speak to Peter that I will be late for lunch, you can go. This is how you valued people junior to him, right? And he has mentioned many a time that to be a leader, you must learn to treat everybody as a good human being, and that's what is about being a leader, right? And if he has conveyed to Peter that I will not be there for lunch, but since he was the chairman of Tata Group of Industries and then he had to go for some urgent meeting, he will simply take a cab and leave without calling Peter, because he said that my lunch was as important as the lunch of my driver. There would be hundreds of stories about this man, but what we have to learn from him is being humble, is being courteous, is valuing the other human being and giving their space as much as you value your space. And as we all know how humble this man is, a story narrated down by the great actor Dilip Kumar when he was traveling in an Air India flight, and he was sitting, and as he was boarding the flight, there were people around him as he was a superstar, right? And he was sitting next to a man who was sitting on the window seat and was reading the newspaper. And after some time, Dilip Kumar was irked that this man is not looking at him as stars are used to, and is not looking at him, not paying any attention to him in spite of being such a big film industry star, right? He said that I am so and so, and these many movies I have made, and I'm really doing fantastic. To which this man very humbly said, yes, I know. Congratulations, and I happened to see one of your movies, you have done very well. And then at the end of the journey, Dilip Kumar shook a hand with this man and said, nice meeting you, sir. And he said, yes, I am J.R.D. Tata. And this is what Dilip Kumar said, I could not even understand that such a big person had no air around him, right? So this is what you people have to learn, that if you want to do anything in life, building a team will be most essential. And if you have to build a team, it's not about build sab kar lete hain. It's about retaining them. Because if you build a good team and you retain your employees or you retain your team with you, you can just create anything, right? And there comes the second point, value them. Understand their problems. And if you can do that, you can really do wonders, because the full form of a team is TEAM, together everyone achieves more. Thank you very much.